Hey, what's up, hello guys? So welcome back to my channel for another video. So you're going to see me transform into, well, you already can tell by the title below. I'm transforming into Cher. So it's not her infamous yellow plaid look. I was going to do that with just the red plaid I had, but I was like, no, there's another look that she had on the show that was red plaid. So I researched it, I looked it up. These are the pictures. And basically, let's get into the look, because she has on a red sweater, she got on a white blouse, and she has on a red plaid skirt. So cute. Love the combination, love the look. So I basically recreated it. So in this video, you're going to see me recreate that look, and you're going to see the process it took me to do it, and you're going to see this busty old crusty wig at the end trying to model it. Stay tuned for that, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, so we're just going to get started with cutting the fabric for the skirt and the shirt. So right here we're going to go ahead and start with this shirt. I'm using a shirt that I already have so that I can cut out the sides and the shoulders and then the collar. And this is the front. You just use the shirt you already have that fits well. If it's a knit fabric, use a knit shirt. Woven fabric, use a woven shirt. And then you just cut out that side. And then you just fold it over and then cut out your other half, and then voila, you have a shirt front. So then you're just going to move on to the back. So for the back, you pretty much do the same thing. You have your shirt and you put it towards the back and then use it as a guide to cut out one side, the armhole, and then the shoulder. Then go down to your collar. If you want to make sure the measurements are right, just measure either yourself or your shirts that you already own. And then once you have the folded in half and the other side cut out, you're done with the back. So here's the shirt back, and here's my front. And with this type of shirt, you don't really have to be that perfect, because once you put it on and sew it up the sides and the shoulder, it's going to look like the vest that she wears. So what I'm going to do next is just pin up the shoulders, sew those first so they're straight, and then go along the side seam and sew those up too. If you want to finish any edges, you just fold over the edges and then do a little top stitch. But it's that simple. So, and this is what the skirt look like. We're going to get into the skirt in a second. Boom, look at that. So if you wanted to add a zipper to the side of your shirt, you can add one. Just make sure it goes fully down and all the way out so that you can put it easily on and out. I ended up putting on a ribbon so I can fit it a little better, and I like the white ribbon effect. So if you like to do this zipper, this is how it looks. But I'm going to go ahead and start sewing down the shirt. If you use a knit fabric, stretchy fabric, then you shouldn't have an issue with sliding it on and off without a zipper. But if you have a woven fabric, you might need one. So here I'm just sewing down the side seams after sewing the shoulder seams, and then I'm done basically. This is what it looks like. And you see the white ribbon I was talking about. It just goes down the side. You can pull it in, you can pull it out, whatever you like. So this is what the skirt looks like after I put it together, but let's see how I started it. So I get my plaid fabric and get that straightened out and smooth, and fold it in half if you wanted to go ahead and cut the front and back. But right now I'm going to just measure out using another skirt that I made for the front. So this is just a single layer. I'm going down the side of the skirt, not really making too much of a curve at the top just yet, because I want to fold it over and make that curve so it's uniform on both sides. I think I did it opposite when I did the back, but it's okay. So here's me making the little curve on the edge, and so that is the same on both sides at the top of the skirt. And this is the shirt, or the skirt front. So now you just go ahead and put the fabric down to go ahead and make the skirt back, I'm calling shirt, skirt back, and then you just take the skirt that you already own, put it on top of the fabric, on the back side facing, you can have it facing up so that you can follow the side seams. And then you go ahead and do the same cut. I put my skirt front back on top just so that I know how long and where that point is to where I stop the curve, or where I stop the waistband and go down to the curve. So I just did that, cut all the way across, fold it over the fabric so that I can cut the top part, cut that small curve off the top part so that it's more fitted at the waist. And then after you cut that part off, you might want to taper in the ends so that it can also have a more fitted bottom hem. And then after that, it's ready to go ahead and sew. You put the front on the back, pin the side seams together, and then go proceed to sew. And that's what you're about to see me do in the next couple clips. Hang on. So here I'm just going ahead and finishing up the skirt, sewing it together. Promise next time I'm going to have better angles when it comes to my sewing time views. Like when I'm doing the camera on the my sewing machine, I'm trying to set it up right. But this is where I'm going to put the zipper for the skirt. Just sew it right into that space, or you can put a button, or if your fabric's stretchy enough, you can just go ahead and close it. But that was the outfit, and now you're going to see me putting my hair makeup look together. Let's see. So in this next portion of the video, I did want to warn you, it's a bunch of short clips because I didn't record my makeup look properly in the right view and everything. So you're just going to see a montage of clips together. Well, yeah, that's good, I feel. You can blend in more or add more contour if you like. Back and do all this other stuff, but I really don't feel like it. And like I said, it's a little raggedy, and you can of course see my hair. We're gonna cover that up. I don't know if I want to gel my edges or not. I guess I will. One second. And did the front, but time is of the essence. I'm hungry. Most of the time I'll do it without the wig on. I'll do it before, but clearly I'm doing things backwards here. So you just get that raggedy wig on top of it. It's as far up as my wig goes. I mean, it can go up like a little further if I snatched it. Like, ow, kind of, ow. Nope, that hurts. Nope, back it up. Because there's a comb in the front and the back. So, and that's my big ponytail back there. So, let's go ahead. Pick it up. So we can put the scarf on. Go ahead and get this on. And you can use it to flatten it to keep my edges down while I put on the outfit. So I don't mess that up. Alright. So now I have that. So now I'm going to show you guys the button up, because you have to have the classic button up for the look. And then you have the skirt, and then this is the shirt, and then on the side I just added in some extra stuffed detail basically so that it'll fit. So I added that in so it'll fit. I'm gonna get changed into that, and you'll see you in a second. But this is the end. I had it up pinned. So we can go ahead and pin it up and switch it back down to the other look. Look at it. Something up look and boom. No, it's the professor. Okay, let me go find it. Bye. Alright, so yeah, this is how the end of the look turns out. So this is the blouse, the top, and then the skirt. And then the skirt zips, not that side. Yeah. But I'm going to get some more wigs for more of my transformations and cosplays and just general, you know. But I like to switch it up because I like certain looks from movies and shows in the 90s and 80s. So you'll probably see some more of those. It's going to come out and it's going to pop. But yeah, let me take the clip out because now it's falling. Alright, so just it up on one side and let's look. So I'm going to put a picture like right here next to me so that you can see how it looks in the movie Clueless. I guess you could reference Stacey Dash, but I'd rather not. I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Click the like button and click the subscribe button below if you would like to see more. So, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Lava all over you. Ew! Get off of me! Ugh, as if!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, thank you. How you like California?
Yeah, I'm freaking. See, my mission is.
And this is the fabric. I was just talking to the lady in there about it because we were talking about the different cosplays we wanted to do, but couldn't do because all the shit is closed, all the ish is closed, all the cosplays are shut down, so can't wait till they come back open. But this is the fabric that I pretty much got from the store. I'm hoping that is close enough